friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun. Can you guess? That's right, a cute and colorful boat that floats on the water. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a big curved line like a smile. This is the bottom of our boat. It helps it float on the water. Now draw two lines going down from both ends of the smile. Great job! Now connect the ends with another curved line. In the middle, let's draw a tall rectangle. This is the boat's little house, where the captain sits. Let's give our cabin a slanted roof, just like a triangle on top. And now, a flag on a stick at the very top.
La da 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 dee.
Woohoo! It's looking so cool! Now draw two tall rectangles or ovals on the cabin. These are windows, so the captain can look out. Let's make our boat super cute. Add two round eyes, a small smile, and two little eyebrows. Aw, look at that happy boat face. Boats float on water, right? Let's draw curvy waves under our boat, just like bumps or loops. Awesome job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and strong, so the drawing pops. It's looking amazing, isn't it? You all are super artists. Now it's time to color our boat using rainbow colors. Ready? Let's go! Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Hooray! You did it! You just drew and colored an adorable boat all by yourself. Don't forget to show your drawing to your family and friends. If you had fun today, give us a big thumbs up. And subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. See you next time, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.